Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover string. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of string. We can use character array to store string, or variable of type string to store string. We can get string from terminal using getLine function and display string using cout function. Or, we can get string from terminal using cin function and display string using cout function. In the next program, I am going to cover string array and length. I have defined two-dimensional string array of size 3x20 and assigned value to string array. And I am going to print the two-dimensional string array using for loop. We can get the length of string using while loop and using string length function, which requires string header file. Also, we can define string array using string variable, display the value using cout function, and get the length of string using size function or using length function. In the next program, I am going to cover string copy. We can copy the string using string copy function, which requires string header file, or using assignment operator. In the next program, I am going to cover string concatenation. We can concatenate two strings into one string using addition operator, or using string concatenation function, which requires string header file. In the next program, I am going to cover string comparison. We can compare strings using string comparison function, which requires string header file. If first string is greater than second string, then the function returns positive value. If the first string is less than second string, then the function returns negative value. Else, function returns 0. Also, we can compare string directly using comparison operator. In the next program, I am going to cover string inserting. We can insert one string in another string at particular place using insert function. In the next program, I am going to cover string erasing. We can erase substring from string by providing starting position and number of characters to erase using erase function. In the next program, I am going to cover string replace. We can replace substring from string by providing starting position, number of characters to replace, and string to replace, using replace function. In the next program, I am going to cover searching character in string. We can use string character function to search a character in string. String character function searches the string starting from beginning and returns pointer to first position where character is found. I am using while loop to search for a character in string and count occurrence, and I am displaying the result on terminal. Also, we can use find function to search for character in string. In the next program, I am going to cover searching substring in string. We can use string function to search substring in string. String function searches the string starting from beginning and returns pointer to first position, where substring is found. If search string is found in string, then the if statement gets executed. Otherwise, else statement gets executed. Also, we can use find function to search for substring in string. In the next program, I am going to cover string tokenizing. We can use string tokenizing function for tokenizing string. We need to pass string and delimiter character to function. In the next program, I am going to cover string character accessing. We can use that function for accessing character from string. We need to pass location as parameter to function. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C++ program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.